Are you also looking to start your own faceless YouTube channel? In this video, we are going to talk about how you can create a faceless YouTube channel and make money online. In fact, our entire YouTube channel is made using this AI tools. The video you're watching right now is made using these AI tools. And we are going to share all these tools and resources that we use to create these type of videos with you. So, let's get started. First, you need to choose a niche for your channel. There are hundreds of faceless channels are available on YouTube that are making thousands of dollars every single month. You can use ChatGPT to get some faceless channel ideas. In fact, you can use ChatGPT to suggest video topics, write your video scripts, and much more. Second, we need to find a good name for our YouTube channel. To do that, go to a website called Namelix. This website will suggest you awesome brand names that you can use for your channel. Once you found the name for your channel, it's time for you to create a logo. To create a logo, you can go to loca.com. Just enter your brand name here and this website will create a logo for your channel using AI. You can select one of these logos for your channel. Then you can go to canva.com. And you can design your channel banner using this tool. Once everything is set, you can upload all these things into your YouTube channel. Awesome, now we are ready to launch our first video. To create your YouTube video, you can use a tool called Clipchamp. You can even edit your videos on Canva itself. Simply create a Clipchamp account. Then click on Create a New Video. Here you can import your media such as the videos, audio, images and sound effects that you want to use on your video. You can also record your screen using one of these 4 options. Then we also have a template section here. Also, you can get some background music and sound effects from here. Not to mention that you'll get stock video footage and images access as well. You can also use various text animations, graphics and transitions from here. On the top right, you will see an option to select your video aspect ratio. You can use this to select your video frame. For YouTube video, select the 16:9 ratio. And you'll also see a couple of editing options that you can use in your videos. This is the most easiest video editing software that you can directly access from your browser itself. Now, to edit the videos, you need to import the files here. So, click on this Import Media options and import all the videos, images and audio files here. Then you can simply drag the media into this video timeline and make all the changes. You can use some frames into your videos to make it more attractive. And if you want to add some animations into your videos, you can go to Lottie Animation and download these animations for your YouTube video at no cost. You can also visit this website to get motion graphics and illustrations. If you want to create voiceover for your videos, you can use a free text-to-speech software like muff.ai or Revoicer. In fact, we use these text-to-speech software to create voiceover for all of our videos. You can also use some avatars on your video. To learn more about this type of videos, click on this video. After spending some time on editing, your video will be ready to launch. To export this video, click on this export button and choose the quality of the video. That's all. Now, our video is ready to be published on YouTube. So, go to your YouTube Studio dashboard and click on Upload Video. Add your title here. You can use a software called TubeBuddy or vidIQ along with your YouTube Studio. This will help you auto-generate description and also suggest tags and other video optimization tips. This will help you rank your videos in the YouTube search results as well. Plus you can use a tool called Rapid Tags to get more keywords for your videos. To create your video thumbnail, you can use Canva. There are thousands of templates available on Canva. You can simply select a template from there and add your own content in it. Then upload it on your channel. Once everything is set, you can click on this Publish button to upload your video on YouTube. And then follow the exact same methods to create more videos. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on starting your own faceless YouTube channel. Remember, with the power of creativity, storytelling, and authenticity, you can create compelling content that resonates with your audience, even without showing your face. So, embrace the mystery, let your ideas shine, and get ready to embark on an incredible YouTube journey. All the tools and resources links that we've mentioned in this video are given in the video description. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. As always, we love hearing from you, so let us know in the comments if you have any questions or topic suggestions for future videos. Until next time, stay creative and keep shining. Goodbye.